Video right here will show you how to create a Ton wallet that will successfully connect into Hamster account. So before we jump right into this tutorial, my name is JBO, and what I do on this channel is to educate you on how to do the exact same thing and get the exact same results. And also do me well by subscribing to this channel and turn off the notification bell so you will not miss the next video on how to make money online with JB. So first thing first, you come over to your Apple Store or Play Store and you get to install Tonkeeper. Boom. You simply click on open right here, and a quick one, if you have a multiple Hamster account, please do not connect them into one Ton wallet because you might lose your Hamster account. So basically once that's done, you quickly go to your Telegram, you open in your Hamster Kombat account. The first thing you will do, you click on Airdrop and boom, Airdrop tags. You go ahead and click on connect your Ton wallet. So right here you have two options: connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have one, create one in your Telegram account. And basically we have a Ton wallet. You click on connect your Ton wallet. So right here you quickly select Tonkeeper. It will automatically direct you to Tonkeeper app. Once done downloading, you see connect to hamsterkombat.io. So you kindly click on connect to allow access by using your password or your fingerprint, and boom, it's now connected. And right here is my Ton wallet address. So that's how you can successfully connect your Hamster Kombat to your Tonkeeper wallet. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video for more updates on the latest airdrop in town. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Peace out.